ipatikani.
Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki owacho ni sirikal biro medo timo lokruok ahinya e yore mag uchumi mar konyo bero ngima oganda. Koloso e kinde manochiwo oboke ne jogo mabiro ting'o otiko mar duond burano e yiero madundo michano bagi dwe mar 11 higani, Kindiki nomedo ni UDA osego okang' ahinya to kaluwore gi singo mane gichiwo n'oganda jo Kenya e kinde mane gipedho ayanga manifesto margi. Kindiki bende nojiwo jogo mabiro laro lemo mopogore opogore e yiero makamano mondo osir chenro mag piny owacho e yo makare kaka dongruok kod neno bende ni gitiyo n'oganda kaka owinjore.
This party was founded on an ideology. And that ideology is the transformation of the economy of our country from the bottom upwards. That is our ideology. And we must not lose that identity. I am pleased to report on behalf of our party leader, President William Ruto, that we have made significant successes, we have made significant progress in the realization and the implementation of our agenda, which we deliberately committed ourselves to 3 years ago.
Congratulations to all the candidates. We ask you, after you get your certificate today, go back mashinani, look for votes, go to every household, get votes. And when you go to look for votes, I have this to tell you. We are the ruling party. But that's not to mean that we look for votes with kiburi and arrogance, namatusi. That is not our brand of politics.
UDA will field candidates without any ODM candidates being fielded in those areas. And for the areas of Kasipul, Unguja, and Magarini, we will allow ODM to field candidates, and we will go there to support those candidates as a joint candidacy. That is in the spirit of ensuring that we do not muddy ourselves into an endless fight as coalition or broad-based partners of this government.